How to recover deleted Chat GPT chats in your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover your deleted Chat GPT chats inside your device. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your profile section, and inside profile section you'll see the option called settings. Inside settings, head over to the data controls option, and as you can see, here is the option called export data available right now. You may also see the option called your old datas, list of old datas which you need to turn on to uh, view it. And for now you just need to export the data, all of it, and you can simply click on it by clicking over confirm export, and from there you can simply get all of your previous history of data. You can also check it out from here as well. If you don't get or mistakenly delete, you can see the everything from that exported data. And the another thing I would like you to do is you simply come over to your settings, and inside settings head over to privacy, and from here you just make sure you deleted the cookies and some cookies and temporary files, only those two options from here. And once you make sure that, you will probably be able to view all of your previous data or deleted data. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.